last day of the course. From the day you did the course to today, can you notice some change in you?
ತುಂಬಾ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೆ, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಜಾಬ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನೀಡೆಡ್ ಇದು.
Yeah, Jai Gurudev madam. And first of all, the overall experience was very nice, and the way you took through the course these 4 days was really nice, and the way you taught us in simple terms is a life-changing actions. So very grateful to you and lot of gratitude.
I'm grateful to this course and to you. You can use that to help improve our situations and get out of certain mental hurdles that we might be facing.
Yeah, now completely I become relaxed. I feel better than earlier. Your voice is mind-blowing, ma'am. Really, I liked your voice. I want to hear your voice again and again. Really, it is very enthusiastic and energetic. Thank you very much, ma'am.
My gratitude to you for teaching us all these things so wonderfully, and very inspiring sutras, and inspired me to try to encourage more people to join and get the benefit, offer it as our little bit of service to this society before we leave. It's going to be my goal.